Picture a cruise ship so big it feels like a floating city, with a roller coaster running along the top deck and enough neighborhoods on board to make you forget you ever boarded a boat in the first place. That is the Carnival Mardi Gras in a nutshell, one of the most ambitious vessels Carnival Cruise Line has ever put to sea. She is loud, she is colorful, and she is built to deliver fun on a scale most cruisers have to see to believe. For anyone who grew up thinking cruising was all shuffleboard and quiet dinners, the Mardi Gras flips that idea on its head. This is a ship designed for the family that wants thrills, the couple that wants late-night cocktails, and the friend group that wants to dance until the sun comes up. It is unapologetically Carnival, which means casual, festive, and ready to party from the moment you step aboard. Of course, a ship this big also has to deliver on the everyday stuff. Things like comfortable beds, decent food, and staterooms that do not feel like broom closets. So the real question is whether the Mardi Gras lives up to all the hype or whether it is mostly flash and not enough substance. Let us take a proper walk through everything she has to offer. Starting with the staterooms, the Mardi Gras gives guests a wide menu of choices to fit just about any budget. Travelers on the lower end of the price scale can book an interior cabin, which is the no-frills option for people who only plan to sleep in the room anyway. These rooms are smaller, but they are smartly laid out with comfortable bedding and the kind of efficient storage that makes you wonder why your closet at home cannot do the same. Move up a tier and there are ocean view staterooms, which add a window so guests can watch the sea roll by without leaving bed. For many cruisers, this is the sweet spot between affordability and comfort. Waking up to natural light and a glimpse of the horizon changes the whole feel of a sailing. Balcony cabins are where things get really enjoyable. Having a private outdoor space is one of those small luxuries that quickly becomes non-negotiable once you have tried it. Whether it is morning coffee with the sound of the waves or a quiet glass of wine at sunset, that little balcony pays for itself in moments. For those who want to splurge, the Mardi Gras offers a range of suites with more space, more amenities, and often more perks at the boarding terminal. Suites tend to come with priority embarkation, larger bathrooms, and more thoughtful touches that make the trip feel a bit more polished. Families especially appreciate the extra square footage when more than 2 people are sharing a room. There is even an exclusive Loft 19 area for top-tier guests, with a private infinity pool and concierge service that elevate the experience further. Accessibility is taken seriously across the ship, with cabins designed for guests who use wheelchairs or have other mobility needs. Wider doorways, roll-in showers, and adapted layouts are built in rather than tacked on, and accessible public restrooms are available throughout the ship. Family-friendly options are plentiful too, with connecting rooms and configurations that can sleep 4 or more comfortably. The smart tech inside the rooms is part of Carnival's modern approach. Guests can use their cruise app to control certain functions, check their schedules, and stay connected to the rest of the ship. It is the kind of small convenience that adds up over a week at sea. When it comes to dining, the Mardi Gras takes things to another level entirely. Carnival made a big deal about turning this ship into a culinary playground, and it shows the second you start exploring the food venues. There are options for the casual snacker, the foodie willing to pay a little extra, and the family that just wants a quick bite between activities. The main dining rooms remain the backbone of the experience, serving multi-course meals with rotating menus that change each evening. Service is attentive without being stiff, and the waiters often turn into part of the entertainment as the week goes on. It is the kind of dinner where guests can show up in shorts on a casual night or dress up a bit for the more formal evenings. Buffet-style dining is available for those who prefer grazing across many options at their own pace. Breakfast tends to be the busiest meal, with everything from omelets cooked to order to pastries, fresh fruit, and the obligatory bacon station. Lunch and dinner spread out across a variety of stations so guests rarely have to wait long. For something more focused, the ship features specialty restaurants that go beyond the standard cruise fare. These venues typically carry an extra fee, but the quality bump is noticeable. Whether the craving is for a perfectly cooked steak, fresh seafood, or something with an international flair, there are options that will satisfy the pickiest palates. Carnival has long been famous for its barbecue and Southern-inspired cooking, and the Mardi Gras leans into that heritage with venues that celebrate bold, smoky, comforting flavors. Pair that with the line's well-known love for casual dining like burgers, tacos, and pizza, and there is genuinely something for everyone. Guests rarely run out of new spots to try, even on a longer sailing. The bar scene is equally varied, with watering holes scattered across the ship to suit every mood. There are spots for craft cocktails, sports bar-style hangouts, and places where live music spills out into the surrounding decks. The library bar, with its wine dispensers, has become a favorite for those who prefer a quieter sip, and a brewery on board gives beer lovers a chance to try something made right on the ship. Themed dinners and special events pop up throughout each sailing, adding a sense of occasion to the week. From elegant nights to playful theme parties, there is usually something on the calendar that gives guests a reason to dress up or dress wildly. It keeps the dining experience from feeling routine. Up on the open decks, the pool scene on the Mardi Gras is everything you would expect from a carnival ship and then some. The main pool area is the heart of daytime activity, surrounded by lounge chairs, music, and a steady flow of cocktails. This is where the party crowd gathers, especially on sea days, and the energy is contagious. For guests looking for a quieter experience, there are adults-only zones designed for people who want to escape the splash and the chatter of younger cruisers. These spaces tend to feel more like a high-end resort, with calmer music, comfortable loungers, and a more relaxed pace. Many couples consider this area essential, particularly when sailing during school holidays. Whirlpools and hot tubs are scattered around the ship, giving guests plenty of options to soak with a view. Sliding into a warm tub while watching the ocean drift past is one of those simple cruise pleasures that never gets old. It is also a great way to ease into the evening after a long day in port. Families with kids get their own water-focused playground, complete with splash zones, slides, and shallow areas designed for younger guests. The water park area is colorful, energetic, and built to wear out children before bedtime, which any parent will tell you is the real goal. Lifeguards and clear sight lines help keep everyone safe. The signature feature on top of the ship, though, is the roller coaster, and yes, that is exactly what it sounds like. Riders strap in and zip along a track that winds across the upper decks, with the ocean spreading out far below. It is a ride that has become a bucket list item for cruisers who have never imagined experiencing something so wild at sea. Sun decks across the ship offer plenty of room to spread out, and finding a quiet corner is easier than on some smaller vessels. Whether the goal is a tan, a nap, or simply a place to read, there is usually a chair with your name on it somewhere. The variety of spaces is genuinely impressive. When it comes to onboard activities, the Mardi Gras is almost overwhelming in the best possible way. The roller coaster alone would be enough to brag about, but Carnival packs in much more. Sports courts, mini golf, ropes courses, and outdoor games keep active guests entertained throughout the day. The fitness center is large and well-equipped, with cardio machines, weights, and open floor space for stretching and functional training. Guests who want to keep up their routine while at sea will find everything they need, often with ocean views that make the workout feel less like a chore. Group classes run on a regular schedule for those who prefer guided sessions. Climbing structures and challenge activities give the more adventurous guests something extra to brag about back home. There is a real effort here to make sure cruisers do not spend the entire trip on a lounger, even though that is always an option too. It is about offering choices rather than forcing anyone into a particular kind of vacation. Entertainment in the evenings is where the Mardi Gras really shines for many guests. The shows feature talented performers, energetic choreography, and production values that have come a long way from old-school cruise reviews. Guest reviews consistently highlight the entertainment as a standout, with many cruisers praising the talented performers and memorable shows that stay with them long after disembarking. The bingo sessions, of all things, are a highlight for many guests, with hosts who turn the whole event into a comedy show. Cruisers rave about how much fun these afternoons become, even for people who would normally never sit through a round of bingo. It is a small detail, but it speaks to the overall atmosphere of the ship. Live music can be found throughout the day and well into the night, with bands and solo performers playing different styles across various venues. Whether the mood calls for jazz, rock, country, or pop hits, there is usually a stage hosting exactly what guests want to hear. Late-night dance parties tend to keep the energy going long after the main shows wrap up. Comedy clubs, piano sing-alongs, and trivia contests round out the entertainment lineup, with something happening at almost every hour. Cultural and educational programming pops up too, giving guests a chance to learn about destinations, cooking, or even mixology. The variety is part of what makes a long sailing on this ship feel fresh day after day. The spa and wellness offerings on the Mardi Gras are aimed at giving cruisers a true sense of escape, even on a ship known for big energy. Treatments range from classic massages and facials to more specialized therapies designed to ease away the stress of everyday life. Skilled therapists, calming surroundings, and quality products help create the kind of experience that lingers long after the appointment ends. Sauna and steam facilities are typically included for guests with the right access, and Cloud9 spa staterooms and suites come with thermal suite access built right into the booking. Thermal areas are often quieter and more contemplative than the rest of the ship, which is exactly what some guests are looking for. It is a different pace and a welcome one. Yoga and group fitness classes are offered throughout each sailing, sometimes with the added bonus of ocean views from the studio. Practicing on a moving ship adds a unique challenge, but most guests find it more meditative than disruptive. Instructors are generally friendly and welcoming, even to beginners who have never tried a pose before. For those who want to go deeper, additional wellness experiences and beauty services are usually available for booking. From hair styling to medi-spa treatments, the offerings cover just about every need a guest might have. It is the kind of place where a couple can easily blow a relaxing afternoon and call it well spent. Families sailing with children will be glad to know the Mardi Gras takes kids and teens seriously. Carnival has long built its reputation on being a family-friendly line, and the youth programs on this ship continue that tradition. There are dedicated clubs split by age group, so younger kids, tweens, and teens each get spaces that suit them. The smallest cruisers get supervised play areas filled with games, crafts, and themed activities that keep them busy while parents enjoy a quiet dinner. The staff running these programs are warm, energetic, and trained to handle everything from a shy first-timer to a child who has clearly never met a stranger. Parents consistently feel comfortable leaving their kids in their care. Tweens get programs that lean a bit more independent, with activities that fit their slightly older interests. Whether it is scavenger hunts, video games, or themed parties, the goal is to keep them engaged without making them feel like little kids. It is a tricky age, but the team on board navigates it well. Teens have their own dedicated hangout space with later hours and the kind of social vibe they actually want. Dance parties, movie nights, and chill-out lounges give them a chance to make friends their own age, which can transform a vacation for a teenager who might otherwise feel dragged along. By the end of the trip, many of them are reluctant to disembark. The ports of call on a Mardi Gras itinerary depend on the sailing, but Carnival typically takes the ship across the Caribbean with stops at places like Grand Turk, Amber Cove, Nassau, and Celebration Key. Think sun-drenched beaches, crystal-clear water, and harbors filled with colorful buildings stacked up against green hills. These are the kinds of places that make you understand why people fall in love with cruising in the first place. Shore excursions cover a wide range of interests, from gentle sightseeing tour to high-adrenaline adventures. Snorkeling and diving trips put guests right into the underwater world that surrounds these islands, while catamaran sails and beach days offer a more laid-back pace. There is something here for both the bucket list adventurer and the person who just wants a frozen drink under a palm tree. Cultural excursions give cruisers a chance to learn about local history, food, and traditions in each port. Walking tour, visits to historic sites, and tasting experiences turn a quick stop into something meaningful. These are often the moments guests remember most vividly long after the cruise has ended. For those who want to stay active, options like ziplining, hiking, and exploring caves are usually on the menu in the more adventurous ports. Even on a single sailing, guests can put together a wildly different experience in each destination. The choice and flexibility are part of what makes Caribbean cruising so popular. Looking at the Mardi Gras overall, it is hard not to be impressed by the sheer scope of what Carnival has built. The ship delivers on its promise of fun at scale, with entertainment, dining, and activities that go well beyond what most people picture when they think of a cruise. Guests who enjoy a lively atmosphere will feel right at home from check-in to disembarkation. That said, big ships come with big ship realities. Crowds can build up at peak times, popular venues sometimes require reservations well in advance, and the sheer size of the vessel means a fair bit of walking just to get around. None of these are deal breakers, but they are worth knowing before booking. The dining and entertainment options easily rank among the best in the Carnival fleet, and many guests find themselves returning to the Mardi Gras specifically because of these experiences. Service is consistently warm and professional, with crew members who clearly enjoy what they do. That energy spreads, and it shows in the mood of the guests as well. What truly sets the Mardi Gras apart is the combination of features that simply do not exist on most other ships. The roller coaster on the top deck is the obvious headline, and it deserves every bit of attention it gets. There is nothing quite like rocketing along a track high above the ocean. Beyond that, the ship is laid out almost like a series of themed neighborhoods, each with its own personality. Guests can wander from one zone to another and feel like they have entered a different part of a vacation destination. It gives the Mardi Gras a sense of variety that smaller ships simply cannot match. The onboard brewery, the diverse dining lineup, and the layered entertainment program also help set the ship apart from competitors. Carnival has clearly tried to make this vessel a destination in itself, rather than just a way to get from one port to another. For many guests, the ship becomes the highlight of the trip. Groups looking to host events or meetings on board will find that Carnival typically offers flexible venues that can be adapted for private functions. Whether it is a milestone birthday, a family reunion, or a small business gathering, the ship has spaces that can accommodate a range of group sizes. The crew is experienced at making these occasions feel special without disrupting the rest of the sailing. In terms of guest experience highlights, the moments that tend to stick are often the small ones. A waiter remembering a favorite drink, a cabin attendant leaving a creative towel animal, a bartender striking up a friendly conversation. These are the touches that turn a good cruise into a great one. The Mardi Gras crew seems to understand this instinctively. The big moments deliver too, from the first time stepping out onto the upper deck and seeing the roller coaster in person, to the burst of applause at the end of a particularly strong show. Guests frequently mention how memorable the entertainment is, with talented performers who give every show their all. It is the kind of energy that makes vacationers want to book the next sailing before they even step off this one. For anyone weighing the Mardi Gras against other cruise options, the choice often comes down to mood. Travelers seeking quiet luxury and understated elegance may prefer a different line, but those who want a lively, feature-packed, family-friendly adventure will find a lot to love here. The Carnival Mardi Gras is built for fun, and it delivers that promise from the moment the ship leaves port until the final morning when guests reluctantly say goodbye.